machines that learn, engineers who imagine the impossible, and a planet full of puzzles begging to be solved. This is Iron Innovating, where we crack open the toolbox of artificial intelligence and watch as some very clever minds take on humanity's greatest challenges, one algorithm at a time. Wondering how code can clean oceans or help feed billions? Stay tuned, it's going to get smart in here. In the silent hum of global innovation, a new revolution is quietly unfolding. Engineering, powered by artificial intelligence, is reshaping the way humanity tackles its greatest challenges, from climate change to clean water scarcity, one algorithm at a time. Consider the bustling metropolis of Singapore, where AI-driven sensors monitor water purity in real time, predicting contaminants before they become crises. It's not just a safeguard, but an invisible network engineered to prevent disaster, embodying a marriage of engineering intuition and computational foresight. Deep in the deserts of Morocco, solar fields sprawl toward the horizon. Here, engineers use machine learning to predict sandstorm patterns that threaten solar panels. By anticipating dust accumulation and optimizing cleaning schedules, these systems stretch every photon of sunlight into usable energy, a dazzling example of AI maximizing natural resources. What if the world's largest cities could breathe more easily? In Beijing, AI-controlled traffic grids respond dynamically to congestion. Engineers have woven machine intelligence into urban arteries, easing traffic jams that once seemed insurmountable. The results? Lower emissions and cleaner city air for millions. But beneath our feet lies another frontier: underground water tables. In drought-stricken California, engineers deploy AI-powered drones to scan subsurface moisture levels across vast agricultural belts. These nimble robots help farmers optimize irrigation drop by precious drop, conserving water in ways unthinkable just a decade ago. In Brazil's Amazon basin, illegal logging once seemed impossible to halt at scale. Now, smart acoustic sensors trained with neural networks distinguish the subtle whine of chainsaws from other forest sounds. These digital sentinels alert authorities instantly, enabling rapid response and a leap forward in conservation engineering. Imagine predicting famine months before crops wither. Across sub-Saharan Africa, agronomists harness AI models that blend weather satellite data with soil chemistry analysis. This fusion gives farmers customized planting advice and preempts food shortages, engineering hope where uncertainty once reigned. The world's oceans carry secrets in their currents. On Japan's tsunami-prone coasts, underwater sensors gather real-time wave and tectonic data. Engineers feed this ever-growing stream into deep learning systems that can forecast seismic shifts hours before tremors reach the shore, buying vital time for evacuation and safety. Turning our gaze skyward, engineers at the European Space Agency have built AI-powered satellites to monitor methane leaks undetectable by humans. These satellites sweep over vast oil fields and pipelines, flagging invisible pollutants with pinpoint accuracy, an orbital guardian for our fragile atmosphere. Diseases that once ravaged communities now meet their match in micro-engineered diagnostics. In rural India, engineers have embedded AI in handheld blood analyzers that diagnose malaria in minutes from a single droplet, revolutionizing healthcare delivery where distance once spelled disaster. Fresh thinking spawns unlikely alliances. In Rwanda, swarms of autonomous drones deliver life-saving vaccines over impassable terrain. Their flight paths are orchestrated by an AI logistics engine that learns with every flight, an engineering ballet overriding the obstacles of geography. Yet not all solutions are driven by code alone. In Denmark's offshore wind farms, engineers blend centuries-old maritime knowledge with predictive AI maintenance systems. Turbines now alert crews before faults arise, slashing downtime and keeping clean energy flowing as reliably as the tides themselves. Cybersecurity has become an engineering battlefield where adversaries trade blows in microseconds. Israeli infrastructure teams use self-learning defensive algorithms that morph faster than threats evolve, outsmarting attackers who once exploited static systems with ease. Far from Earth's surface, AI-augmented rovers prowl Mars's red dust and icy lunar craters, not just collecting data, but interpreting it on the fly. Each decision made millions of kilometers away is an act of human ingenuity fused with silicon logic, engineering extending our senses beyond our planet's limits. If you enjoyed exploring engineering wonders with Iron Innovating, give us a like and subscribe for more awesome facts.